It's your boy Lucrative Study, and I'm here today to let you know why you should not give up during this pandemic. Most people hear the word pandemic and they think, see, this video not going to get monetized because you're not supposed to be saying coronavirus and pandemic and all that type of stuff. They ain't going to put the ads in the video, but it's all good. So, the reason why you shouldn't panic, even if you lost someone, you got to take these precautions during regular times too. Well, but the people getting sick and all that type of good stuff for real. It's just going down a little bit heavier right now. So I need you to channel your energy and change your thoughts of thinking from going to work every day to staying home. And when you're staying home, doing something productive like you was at work. Like you would go work for somebody else. I want you to be at home, maybe some reading, these type of books. I got a couple books right here in the office. This is a book I'm just starting for real. I'm only on like the 15th, 20th page. It's good so far. I read some reviews before I actually did it, before I actually started reading it. And my aunt gave me this book. That's a good book. I also been selling these face masks. This is a male version. This is a children's version of mask. And I've been selling for about 6-7 days straight. And I've been doing about 3 a day. So that's pretty good at 10 a piece. But one day I did 10. Because if y'all follow my channel, I have the football mask one. And when I walk around with that, people ask me all the time, where you get that mask and where you get that mask from? So I decided to hit up the person who made the mask, see how much they want for it, charge double, and then boom. It's just like any other business for real. So the moral of this video and the moral of the story is don't give up no matter what, no matter how you feeling, how down you feeling, how upset you feeling, how bad you want to work, how bad you want to go to the club, how bad you want to go to the supermarket. If you don't got to go, don't go. Channel your energy somewhere else. It's your boy Lucrative Study. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what y'all doing during this pandemic.